Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Akai Humdrum HD100 portable speaker. On the front of the box, we have an image of the speaker unit itself. The Akai branding is on top and the model name is on the bottom left. On the left hand side of the box, we have some of its salient features, which include wireless technology, true wireless stereo functionality, an IPX5 water resistant rating, FM radio, micro SD card compatibility, voice assistant feature, speakerphone for hands-free calling, and aux-in functionality as well. On the bottom, we can also see that it is a 10-watt speaker. On the right hand side of the box, we simply have some Akai branding, and on the back we have some information regarding the product, like its manufacturing and importing information up here, warranty information right below that, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. And right at the bottom here, we have the customer care information in the form of a website, email address, and a couple of phone numbers. On top, we have a sticker that shows that we have the black variant of this product, and there's nothing on the bottom. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, what we get is some literature. First is the user manual. This should help you get started off with using the product and understanding its various functions. Next, we have two cables. One is a 3.5 mm audio cable, and it is of the TRS kind, and it is approximately 20 inches long. Next up is the charging cable with a USB type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. This too is approximately 20 inches long. Coming to the speaker itself, here we can see that it has an Akai branding on the side. All around it, we have a fabric finish. On top, we can see the subwoofer, and you can even touch it and move it around a little bit. And on the left hand side, we have a carrying strap. When the strap is in this configuration, it's almost like a coffee mug, and it can be held like this. But the strap is quite versatile, so it can be used in a bunch of different ways. For example, it can be attached to this button on this side over here, and now you can use it and carry it around like this. Underneath the carrying strap, we have a rubberized hatch which houses a few of the interfaces. On the right hand side, we have the micro USB charging interface. Right in the middle, we have a USB type A interface and a micro SD card interface. On the left hand side, we have a 3.5 mm aux input in case you want to use the speaker in its wired configuration. The controls for the speaker are right on the bottom. Right in the middle, we have the power button. The two buttons on the left hand side are for the previous and next tracks. Next to it, we have the mode button, and on the right hand side, we have the play and pause button. We also have 4 anti-skid pads on the bottom to keep the speaker on. That's about it in terms of what we got in the box. So let's get started off with using the speaker. We will turn the device on using the power button. Bluetooth mode. Since this is the first time we are powering the device on, it goes into Bluetooth pairing mode automatically. In the future, if you needed to go into pairing mode, you can do so via the mode button. Next up, we need to find the device in the available devices section of our Bluetooth settings. Here we can see Akai HD100, and we can tap on it to begin the pairing process. Now that the device is paired, we can see that it is ready and in use for calls and media playback. We can also see that the battery level is at 60%. Now you can use the speaker to listen to your favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Akai Humdrum HD100 portable speaker. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.